Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tanvi and I create content related to fashion, beauty and lifestyle. So in this makeup tutorial, I have few products which I bought. I have already done a haul on my channel, Nykaa Purple hauls, and like few of the products I have never tried and tested. So I thought that I will make a makeup tutorial. It's a full glam makeup tutorial, and then again I will do a first impression as well of some products. Some are like I bought recently, some I have been using for years now. So let's like jump right into the video without wasting any more time. So guys, we'll start with the eyebrows, and मेरे पास for eyebrows I have this Swiss Beauty for my first impression. इन सब का मैंने हॉल डाला हुआ है, either it's Nykaa haul or it's Purple haul. So for my eyebrows I am using Swiss Beauty eyebrow pencil. Let's see ये कितना अच्छा निकलता है. One thing we need to sharpen it. आई पर्सनली लाइक मुझे ऐसी चीज़ें थोड़ी कम पसंद आती है जिसमें शार्पनर वगैरह यूज़ करना पड़े. आई लाइक द रोल ऑन थिंग के रोल करके लाइक द प्रोडक्ट विल कम आउट. सो लेट सी. आई हर्ड लाइक इसके अंदर स्पूली नहीं है, दैट्स अ ड्रॉबैक विच आई फील के स्पूली होना चाहिए, बट इसके पीछे ये ब्रश दिया हुआ है. सो लेट सी, विल ट्राई टू वर्क विद द लाइक वट एवर वी हैव. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट लाइक उसको उसमें ऐड करना चाहिए. मुझे भी कुछ खास आईब्रो करना आता नहीं है गाइस. आई नो. लेट्स सी. It's working very nice. The shade I got is perfect for my eyebrow. I am very surprised कि मैंने shade इतने अच्छे से pick कर लिया. And this like works like magic. It's very beautiful. अभी first impression में तो I am liking it. It's very easy to create small strokes. So I guess that's the magic behind it. What I will say, like yes, I like this product, but इसके अंदर अगर स्पूली होता तो I would have liked it like more थोड़ा सा. But yes, it works like amazing. Beginners के लिए it's an amazing product because it's very easy to use. And आप इसके साथ ना small strokes भी create कर सकते हो hair के like little flecks, so it will make it look very natural. And आप लोग like if you guys are looking for a good eyebrow pencil, then you guys can go for that. स्पूली नहीं है इसके अंदर, like be sure about it. Although like उसका brush जो है you can make it work somehow. Look at my peacock earrings. They are so pretty and they are so lightweight guys. मैं आपको बता नहीं सकती हूँ. So for my eyeshadow I have this Swiss Beauty palette. ये Swiss Beauty 02 है इनका, and 229 is the MRP price, and I got it somewhere around 120 or 130 rupees, like a steal deal. और generally आपको इतने प्राइस में मिल जाएगा because there are always sales going on. So the color scheme and everything looks really amazing. Like neutrals है, ऑरेंज शेड है, शिमर्स है. सो इट इज़ अ मिक्सचर ऑफ लाइक मैनी थिंग. गुड रोज गोल्ड, पिंक एंड ब्राउन कलर ऑफ शिमर. न्यूट्रल्स हैं इसके अंदर. ऑरेंज. लेट्स गेट यू लिटिल क्लोज. आई एम ट्राइंग समथिंग. थोड़ा कट क्रीज टाइप कोशिश करूँगी आज मैं करने की. लेट्स सी कि हाउ मच आई एम एबल टू डू इट. लेट्स स्टार्ट एंड प्ले विद दिस पैलेट. सो आई विल टेक दिस शेड and then we'll apply it over my eyes. So I have this eye brushes with me as well, Swiss Beauty को. So we'll try these brushes as well कि देखते हैं कि कैसे निकलते हैं. Let's see. So there are 5 brushes in this set. एक फेस ब्रश है and like बाकी के 4 you can use for your eyes. थोड़ा सा angular brush है. Like this is used to apply shimmers and all. And this is again blending brush है. You can use this brush as a like for using for your lipsticks or for your eyeliners. shadow into eyes. Guys, I will use a very I will take the darkest brown shade on the very precise like and will put it in my crease. The pigment is very nice for follow है obviously like that. I don't think so कि ये ब्रश कुछ अच्छे से काम कर रहे हैं. I'm not like that happy with it. तो pigment इतना अच्छा नहीं आया. Like this is so dark on my if I apply like that. I'll switch to my brush and I will take this. What I feel about this shade, ये पैन के अंदर तो बहुत डार्क लग रहा है बट व्हेन आई अप्लाई इट ऑन माई आईलेट उतना डार्क नहीं आ रहा है. Like it's coming off as a very light brown color. So use this brush again because I want to give it one more chance, and I will take this bright orange color and then will apply it in just my crease. Now I want to do little bit of cut crease. पूरा नहीं करूँगी, थोड़ा सा I will do because I am trying it for the first time. Let's see कितना अच्छे से मैं कर पाती हूँ. So I will take this new brush and will take my Maybelline का so I have done my half cut crease. So concealer apply करने के लिए this works very well. Now I will take the same brown color, the darkest shade which we have, and will apply it on the outer corner. इसके अंदर ना ये रोज गोल्ड कलर है, so will like take it on my finger only and try to apply it eyes. लगा के देख लिया. Now I will use this brush thingy and I will take this shade because I want to use जितना ज़्यादा मैं shades use कर सकती हूँ. That's my son making like some noise, so please ignore. We'll take the other side of the same brush and will use this. ये भी pink tone में है but like little bit lighter from the other shades, and I will apply it in my inner corners of my eyes because वहाँ पे मैंने अभी तक कुछ लगाया नहीं था. What happens कि आप किसी एक शेड को you don't want to favor one shade, but एक शेड ऐसा होता है ना जो like सब शेड्स को पीछे छोड़ के it like takes over the whole palette, and I think this is the shade for me. Like it took over, like it looks so beautiful, and ये डार्क पिंक जो थोड़ा सा इससे ब्राइट पिंक है ना वो थोड़ा सा दब गया है. तो what I will do, I will take the other side and apply the like this shimmer again. Let's see. So quite happy with the result. It looks amazing. So I will take this shade and मैं अपनी lower waterline पे लगाती हूँ. Now I am taking a baby wipe and I am cleaning whatever is there, like जो भी fall out हुआ है. तभी मैंने, क्योंकि I anticipated कि इस palette का ना बहुत fall out होने वाला है, पता नहीं क्यों मुझे लग रहा था. So I thought कि मैं अपना ना बेस मेकअप बाद में ही करूँगी, and that was a very good decision I feel. Apply my old eyeliner because eyeliner मैंने कोई नया नहीं खरीदा था. So I am using Faces Canada's eyeliner and I will be back. Same old I am using, guys. I would love to see some good recommendation regarding eyeliners and kajals because मैं वही बहुत टाइम से यूज़ कर रही हूँ and I'm like not sure which ones to buy next. So like please recommend some good kajals and eyeliners like in the comment section down below. That will be so helpful. Next product is Maybelline. It's not a first impression, it's a repurchase, but I really want to give a shout out to this mascara because like this mascara is so bomb. Like I cannot tell you guys, like ये ना एकदम मुझको तो फॉल्सीज का इफेक्ट देता है. लाइक if I don't apply falsies and अच्छे से I coat the mascara, then this works well for me. Show you the difference. This is where I applied mascara, like see, and this is my normal where no mascara is there. Like this is such an amazing mascara, guys. Like इसको लगा के ना मतलब फॉल्सीज की भी ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती यार. Forward, now we'll go to our face, our base. So for base I am using this primer, Swiss Beauty का primer. बहुत सारी चीज़ें Swiss Beauty की ही हैं, I just now realized. And like again for this product also I heard so much. तो let's see कि ये कैसा है. It's like a little bit of illuminating kind of primer. And मुझे ऐसे primers ना बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. It gives a glow to the skin. थोड़ा सा thick है, like not that liquidy, which I feel is the best thing. थोड़ा सा I will apply here as well. So it gave a very nice healthy glow to my face, which I feel is best. And it is hydrating at the same time. थोड़ा सा thick consistency है इसका. If you are looking for something light, then this is not it. ये थोड़ा सा thick है. It claims brighten skin, modifies pores, moisturizing and nourishes. So it is delivering all the things that it is like claiming. ये बहुत अच्छा shine दे रहा है, glow दे रहा है. It's extremely hydrating because मेरी skin, I have extremely dry skin and this feels so good when I am applying it on my face. And again pores भी I can see थोड़े reduce हुए हैं, blur हुए हैं. तो yeah, big thumbs up from my side for this product. We'll move on to the foundation. For foundation I have Stay Quirkies foundation with me, and like I bought this from Purple. थोड़ा सा शेड का आई एम फीलिंग डाइसी. ये मेरे को लाइक विल इट मैच मी और नॉट. थोड़ा सा मुझे ना थोड़ा सा हल्का सा seems dark to me, but let's see will work with this. It is like water resistant, blends beautifully, lightweight. So I'm thinking it will be like light to medium kind of coverage. So let's see. I am taking it on my back of my hand. काफ़ी लिक्विडी कंसिस्टेंसी है इसका, लाइक एज यू गाइस कैन सी. सो विल अप्लाई लिटिल डॉट्स ऑन माई. ओके, आई थिंक दिस मैचेस वेल फॉर मी. माई डैम ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर. ओके, नाइस, ब्लेंड्स ब्यूटिफुली, bounces back right into my skin. Get you little close. As you guys can see, you can still see little bit of darkness over here. So it's a very lightweight, like I think इसको BB cream या CC cream की तरह आप यूज़ कर सकते हो, because like it has very light coverage. बहुत light coverage है. और concealer we have again Swiss Beauty concealer. ये मुझे one brand kind of like makeup tutorial भी रख सकती थी मैं इसको. So this is what the like concealer looks like. The packaging is, everything is very nice. So let's see and apply it. Okay, it gives good coverage. I'm very happy. It blends beautifully. So I'm very happy with this product, and price range भी इसका बहुत amazing है. Using Makeup Revolution banana powder. ये मैंने शायद बहुत पहले यूज़ किया था. I stopped using it. I was not able to find it. So मैंने ये दोबारा खरीदा, and I'm very much like excited to try it, because as I can remember एक टाइम पे शायद I was in love with this powder, I guess. So let's see, try करके देखते हैं. I didn't bought any bronzer because इसके अंदर ना ये brown shade जो है, I wanted to use it as a contour also, like bronzer shade. And I will use the brush that came in this Swiss Beauty brush. So we'll take the, let's see. This works wonderfully as a contour as well. तो ये पैलेट को तो मेरी तरफ से और बहुत बड़ा thumbs up मिल गया है. थोड़ा सा नोज कॉन्टोर भी करके देखते हैं. Once more for my blush, what I will do, I will take this pinky kind of shade and apply it as my blush, because like I'm liking this, and I'm taking my own brush for this. move on to the lips. I have this new lip liner, so we'll try this one out. ये किसका है? This is by Hawk Makeup. So this looks nice. थोड़ा सा nude shade है. And then I'm like going with this Maybelline Superstay Ink. ये मैंने मतलब कुछ makeup products खरीदे थे. So I got it as free. So I'm very much like want to apply this shade on my lip because this shade looks so beautiful. So we'll line our lips little bit. For this lipstick, let's apply the lipstick. Talking about the palette is the most favorite thing out of all the things which I have like reviewed today or tested today, because like एक ही शेड का मुझे था कि वो थोड़ा पैन में थोड़ा सा लाइट मतलब डार्क दिख रहा था, एंड ऑन माई eyelid it was coming off little bit of light, that dark brown color. Other than that I don't have any complaints. थोड़ा fallout है but still like it works wonderfully. Again it will work as your eyebrow filler as well, your bronzer, contour, your blush, and even if you want to highlight little bit. मैंने आज highlight नहीं किया because I didn't felt like that because already मेरी skin बहुत glow कर रही है. तो yes, this works multiple ways and इसका cost इतना amazing है. अगर आप 4-5 पैलेट भी लेके खरीद लो ना 1000 रुपये में आपके इतने सारे पैलेट आ जाएंगे. So yeah, like this is it. I hope you like this first impressions video, and if you want me to test more makeup, I'm already very much interested in buying new makeup and testing it out. See, I added the lashes as well. Now I was able to put it in 20 minutes. It was an achievement for me. Your girl has started to learn. So I have been trying some new makeup like this look also. I used almost 6-7 eyeshadows. Still it is like very easy to do if you follow the like eye tutorial to the T. If you want me to make a separate just eyeshadow makeup tutorial, so let me know. I will like make one for you. So surely let me know how you like this video. If you want me to do more first impressions, if you like the video, hit the like button, share it with your friends if you think they will find it entertaining and they will like it. Subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon right next to the subscribe button, so every time I post a video you guys get a notification. If you want to support me or you want to support this channel, subscribe to my videos, comment and share and like the videos. This will mean a lot to me. Thank you so much guys for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye. Take care.